Welcome. In front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on this laptop. So to do it in a fast way, you can press and hold the F1 key that is located next to your Windows button, then press F7 button with it, and this will either mute or unmute your microphone. Now the other way to do it is by pressing the start button, then go to settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, go to devices, open sound section, then find microphone array, and here you have to open it and click don't allow to mute it and allow to unmute it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.